The ID4's voice control system has quite a few operations that it can handle, but it's hard to know exactly what it can do and how to ask the system to do it. Not only that, there's a way to improve the system's reliability. To aid you, VW has included a menu showing examples of both voice commands and various infotainment system features. You can access it by selecting the menu item labeled Help. The example voice command list provided will give you a better understanding of what the system can and can't do. But here are some ways to improve your experience. When saying Hello ID, you do not need to wait for the sound. Instead, you can say the full command all at once. For example, Hello ID, turn on the driver's heated seat.
All right.
But I've had much better luck with the system's reliability by disabling the activation word, which you can do by going to Settings, Voice Operations, Activation Word, and toggling this option off. You'll now activate voice controls by pressing on the steering wheel button. Once you press the button, you can say the command directly. For example, turn the fan on high.
Sure.
The voice controls don't have to be a specific instruction. There are some more playful controls as well, like, my butt is cold.
All right. Warming the left front seat now.